Here's 7 best REITs that make you very rich with huge dividends. REITs or real estate investment trusts are an easy way to invest in real estate since they are bought and sold like stocks. REITs are amazing for your portfolio because they add diversification from owning cash flowing machines like apartments, office buildings, casinos, hospitals, cell phone towers, and so much more, where you don't have to have hundreds if not millions of dollars or even have to go into debt just to own and reap the benefits of real estate. REITs are especially amazing because they can generate you a steady stream of passive income in the form of dividends by leasing space and collecting rents on properties. The outcome of this is huge dividends from 2 to 3 times more than even high dividend yielding ETFs, which can be great if you want to live off of dividends or get your dividend snowball rolling with passive income. So without further ado, in no particular order, let's get started. The first REIT on my list is Vici Properties. Vici is an S&P 500 experimental real estate investment trust that owns one of the largest portfolios of market-leading gaming, hospitality, and entertainment destinations, including Caesars Palace Las Vegas, MGM Grand, and the Venetian Inn Resort Las Vegas, 3 of the most iconic entertainment facilities on the Las Vegas Strip. Vici owns 93 experimental assets across a geographically diverse portfolio consisting of 54 gaming properties and 39 other experimental properties across the United States and Canada. It has a dividend yield of over 5% and has been able to grow its dividend every single year alongside great returns over the last 5 years, including a dividend. Vici receives a perfect A+ profitability score by Seeking Alpha, signaling how great this REIT is from an overall profitability and a financial standpoint, which can be great to add to your portfolio. Moving on to the second REIT is Prologis Inc. Prologis is the largest industrial REIT by a wide margin. It was founded in San Francisco in 1983, where they build, own, and operate logistics real estate through all points of the supply chain and deliver solutions and services at scale so their customers can focus on growing their businesses, where Prologis is positioned at one of the most crucial pain points in logistics today to shape the future of commerce. Nearly 1.1 million people work under a Prologis roof each day, and 3% of the world's GDP flows through their distribution centers annually. It has a dividend yield of over 3% and has been able to steadily grow its dividend every year, year over year over the last decade, coupled with great returns over the last 5 and 10 years, including a dividend. Prologis receives a solid A profitability score by Seeking Alpha, letting us know that this REIT right now and in the future will continue to be a leader in logistics real estate from its stable cash flows and great revenues. The third REIT is a fan favorite, and that's Realty Income. Fun fact is that I visited the headquarters of Realty Income in San Diego, California early last year and even went to college. That's like a 10-minute drive from their HQ. Realty Income is a real estate partner to the world's leading companies, and they're even an S&P 500 company. Founded in 1969, they have a diversified portfolio of 15,450 properties in all 50 US states, the UK, and 6 other countries in Europe with quite a high occupancy rate, and have tenants like 7-Eleven, Lowe's, Chipotle, and your local Dollar Tree and Dollar General. They are also known as the monthly dividend company because they offer, well, you guessed it, monthly dividends. It has a dividend yield of nearly 5% and are delivering their goal of dependable monthly dividends that increase over time with great returns over the last decade, including the dividend. Realty Income receives a solid A profitability score by Seeking Alpha, which is supported by their excellent cash flows and long-term leasing agreements that will continue to be great and stable into the future. The fourth REIT is American Tower Corp. Founded in 1995, it manages infrastructure properties as American Tower is a leader in communications real estate solutions that support connectivity throughout the US, where they have over 42,000 tower sites in the US, 1,300 under agreement for in-building network development, 87,000 tower sites with backup power generators on site, and 28 interconnected data centers, where American Tower has the right assets and solutions to take advantage of the rising and growing demand of 5G networks. It has a dividend yield of just under 3% and has one of the best and cleanest dividend growth charts I've seen for growing dividends, and has strong performance over the last decade, including the dividend. American Tower receives a solid A profitability score by Seeking Alpha, which lets us know that this REIT is in great financial condition and has amazing resilience in the infrastructure sector for this REIT. Thank you, Moomoo, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I know it might be complicated to understand REITs or how to even invest in them as a beginner, but look no further because Moomoo's got you covered. Moomoo is one of the most popular investment apps out there, and I like them because they have over 200 plus free resource guides, like mini courses on REIT investing for beginners. They have analyst ratings on whether a stock or REIT is a buy, hold, or sell, including its price target by the institution and analyst. Another important tool only on Moomoo for REITs is their Morningstar Research tab that shows the Morningstar rating, economic moat of the REIT, financial health, fundamentals, and valuation, which is really important when considering whether or not to add a REIT to your portfolio. And as a bonus gift, if you sign up with the link in the description of this video, you can get up to 15 free stocks worth between $2,000 to $2,000 each with Moomoo, and they're also giving new users 8.1% APY interest on your uninvested cash for a limited time. So go ahead and take advantage of these awesome promos and join a community of over 23 million users globally, all while experiencing the power of Moomoo. The fifth REIT is Stag Industrial. Stag is an industrial REIT focused on the acquisition, ownership, and operation of industrial properties throughout the United States. They have 573 buildings in 41 states, spanning over 114 million square feet, with a total enterprise value of $9.5 billion. Amazon is the top tenant of Stag, where they have other tenants like FedEx and so many more. It has a dividend yield of just under 4% with steady dividends year over year, and it has had excellent performance over the last 5 and 10 years. Stag receives an A- profitability score by Seeking Alpha, where this REIT hopes to deliver a powerful combo of income and growth to investors. The sixth REIT is Simon Property Group. Simon is one of the largest retail REITs out there in the market, where they have over $8 billion invested in shopping malls, outlet centers, and community lifestyle centers. They have over 3,000 leading brands in their portfolio, where their strategic brand investments generate billions and billions of dollars in annual sales. They even have a strong financial position with legendary performance as an S&P 100 company, the #1 balance sheet in the industry, and 8 times rated Fortune's most admired real estate company. Simon Properties has a dividend yield of over 4.5% and pretty much kind of choppy dividend growth. But that's okay because you're still getting paid a very high dividend along the way and a great performance over the last 5 and 10 years. Simon Property Group receives an A+ profitability score, so you know that this is a great REIT from its great financials and of course legendary performance. So the first 6 REITs were individual REITs. Now the last one on our list is going to be a REIT ETF. The benefits of a REIT ETF is that you have a whole bunch of REITs conveniently in one basket, so you have the benefits of ultimate diversification. The 7th REIT is the ETF VNQ, the Vanguard Real Estate ETF. VNQ invests in stocks issued by real estate investment trusts, companies that purchase office buildings, hotels, and other real property. It also has a great dividend yield of around 3.7%, with steady dividends paid year over year over the last decade. VNQ has 154 REITs in this fund, with great names like Progilus, American Tower, Equinix, Welltower, Public Storage, and Realty Income. It's even diversified to a broad range of real estate sectors and areas, so you have exposure to many different real estate industries. The performance of VNQ has been solid for a REIT of over 7% annually over the last 10 years and over 8% annually since 2004, which includes the Great Recession. And in Marcos Mia fashion, here are some honorable mentions of REITs and REIT ETFs that are amazing for long-term investing in your portfolio for exposure to real estate. If you guys like this video, please give it a like because this cute puppy did. Now right here is going to be a video on 5 of the best ETFs that do pay monthly dividends for that passive income. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, continue to crush in the stock market, and take it easy. Peace.